Alright folks, so I got something different for you today. I'm actually helping my buddy out, Joe, over here, the guinea. We're going to be building this nice little fence to enclose his mechanicals for his pool here. I'll give you a quick view of what it looks like back here. Pretty nice backyard he's got. This is the backyard. Pretty nice oasis if you ask me. Nice in-ground pool all back here. So we got Joe starting to dig over here. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna basically enclose this thing with some lattice, put some posts in, just kind of clean it up. Because Joe is sick and he's sick of having people give him crap about this thing. Am I right?
That's right.
So we're right now we're probably gonna put 2 or 3 posts over here, one over there. Put the lattice across. Keep it simple. So this is the foam we're gonna be using here. It's Sika by Pro Select Fence Post Mix. Set says fast as 3 minutes. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna set it, and it says on the back here you gotta wait about 2 hours to get weight on it. So it's pretty warm out here. It's late October in Jersey, and it's actually 70 something degrees. So we're gonna try to get on it within about an hour. If we feel like it's gonna move, what we're gonna do is just brace it, you know, put a couple 2x, stick them in the ground, whack them down, make sure everything is solid. But that's the stuff right there. So we're gonna continue with digging here and go from there.
Hey,
Man,
give me the tape. So I'm going to space this 3 poles here. Can you go to the middle? Poke there for me?
well, let's just do the corner one and then we'll do space from there.
Oh, wait. I want to do the second one, no? You want to do that one first?
First, and we'll just center it off left. Won't matter.
Oh, okay. Center it off this one. I know there is no wires up here.
Guys, so I'll show you guys what we're doing here. So you could hold the post plumb both ways and pour the concrete foam, whatever you're using, but why not just make your life easier, right? Basically I got some 2x3s and I put my level on here, made sure we're plumb both ways, pin them off. These are staked into the ground. That way all we gotta do here is come here, pour our concrete foam, whatever, like I said, whatever you're using. And that way you don't have to worry. Just pour in there, walk away, let it set, and we're good. So we're going to continue doing that for these holes as well, these posts, and go from there. Alright guys, so we got all these 4x4s in place. We got them braced going both ways. That way we can pour our rapid setting foam, which is over there, into the holes. Let that set. And in the meantime, we're going to get some more material. Go from there. So I'm gonna let my buddy, the guinea, Joey Bananas over here, do some filming. I'm gonna pour the stuff in here. Stay tuned. Okay, so this one we weren't able to get as deep with all these pipes, so that should be more than sufficient. We're over here about 2 feet. We're not gonna go crazy going too deep. This isn't gonna hold too much weight. That's these holes. And then we got this one over here. This one's about 2.5 feet, so it's probably the deepest. If you really want to do 100%, you gotta be down 3 feet. But this is not going to hold too much weight, and we got a lot of pipes around here, so we want to make sure that we don't hit anything. So otherwise, that should do it. That's this hole. See down in there. That's this one over here. And we're ready to roll. All right, here's the good stuff. Let's see what happens. Let's start from over here and work towards. So we're going to follow directions. This burst seal, roll in this direction, that way. And we have, I think I read online, it says 15 seconds. We'll read it right here. Okay. Yeah, there we go. 90 degrees. For 15 seconds, you're going to mix it before forcing the material to travel inside the pouch from one side to the other using a shoe signing material. So basically, I'm just going to rub it on my thigh here, kind of mix it up, and that's it. So let's do it. You ready?
Let's do it, man. It sets real fast, right?
All right,
you got it.
Ready?
Yep. You got something to cut it?
Yeah, I got my knife on it. 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000.
You want to use another bag or no?
Now watch how much this stuff expands.
Plenty of bags,
We can always get more.
No, we have plenty of bags. We bought 6 bags.
6 or 5?
Or 5.
Yeah, we got 3. All right. This one's gonna take a lot. All right, let's do it. You ready? That'll work. All right, here we are on bag number 2. Mixing this stuff. Let's do it. $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, $9,000, $10,000, $11,000, $12,000, $13,000, $14,000. All right, guys, post number 3. Let's do it. Get my material to the bottom, roll it up. $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, $9,000, $10,000, $11,000, $12,000, $13,000, $14,000. Ready?
Yep.
$2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, $9,000, $10,000, $11,000, $12,000, $13,000, 14,000. Okay guys, so we got all the lumber here. The foam is set up. We used 3 bags there, 3 bags here, 3 bags there. So obviously we have a little bit extra over here. This is a wide hole, so we couldn't go too deep. So we made sure that it's in the best as possible. We got this one board on, leveled off. We went over here, continue all the way down there, all the way down there. And then you have a nice little privacy fence there. There you go. Stay tuned for the rest of the work here. Okay, here we are, 8.5 hours later. Got here around 10. We had to make, what, 3 runs out? Joe, he's behind the camera.
Yeah, about that, yes.
3 runs out to get material. We decided we're going to go with this way. So we're going to do the lattice at first. We figure, you know what, this is going to be a lot stronger and you definitely can't see through it. The whole point of Joe doing this is so he can't see through it. So we got the posts on the corners here. We took a piece of one of these decking boards, put it behind here to make sure these are all flat. We went through 3 bags of the spray foam for each one of these 4x4, so we went through a lot, but they're definitely rock solid. Everything is nailed off with galvanized nails. Well, it's all decking board, just 5 1/4 pressure treated, nothing special. Nailed off. We cut these off afterwards. They didn't come out perfect, but good enough for what it is. Joe will come in here, sand it down, clean up wherever needs to be done. Then we cut the tops of 4x4s. Not the best cuts. My best cut's probably this one here. Other ones came out alright. Not too bad, but what it is, it's good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you got something out of it. If you want to do a fence or some kind of privacy thing like we're doing here, this is how you want to go about doing it. Now if you want to make it strong, you definitely could add more posts, but this is good enough. Rock solid. You can pull this thing all day, it's going to be good for what it is. And that's about it. Sun's going down. Had ourselves a good day and we got it done. Appreciate you tuning into the video. Stay tuned for future videos, and if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out, leave a comment, send me a message, whichever you prefer, and I'll help you out the best I can. Thanks for tuning in. Donnie D, signing off.